Over 15 persons have been rescued while 42 are still trapped as ITBP and NDRF are carrying out the rescue operation in Jharkhand's Deoghar district, where some cable cars on a ropeway collided with each other at Trikut Hills close to Baba Baidyanath temple. At least 2 people were killed and several injured in a cable car collision at Trikut Hills. The incident appears to have been caused by a technical snag. The IAF received a request in the night on 10th April 2022 for the rescue of approximately 40 tourists stuck in the Trikut Hills ropeway service. Acting on the request, the IAF deployed one Mi-17 and one Mi-17 V5 helicopter early in the morning today. A recce was conducted by one of the helicopters in the morning and operations are underway in coordination with the district administration and NDRF.